Aquarium of the Pacific, July 13, 2024. Shark Lagoon Night, El Dorado Nature Center, July 23, 2024. Summer Nature Walk, Rainbow Harbor and Marina, August 3, 2024. Harbor Cruise Night, Rancho Los Alamitos, July 28, 2024. Sunday Family Day, Rancho Los Cerritos, July 14, 2024. Music in the Gardens, Belmont Shore, July 27, 2024. Stroll and Savor, 4th St. Retro Row, August 10, 2024. Art Walk, Bixby Knolls, July 12, 2024. First Friday's Art Walk, East Anaheim, Zaferia, July 27, 2024. Zaferia. Bear Walk, Magnolia Industrial Group, August 17, 2024. Magnolia Block Party,